I need to fix these gates. You can see here that that one's off the hinge on the top. They are scraping the ground. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, throw me a thumbs up, and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Alright, so we got to make some modifications for the gate. On a railroad tie, these are not long enough. So I picked up a couple of lengths of 3/4 inch threaded rod. We're going to go ahead and extend these things. Alright, so now we got a little bit longer length on these things. We're going to go ahead and touch them up with the grinder just a little bit so they'll slide through the holes that we drill. And then we'll go down and install the gates. Well, there we go. We got a little bit more clearance on the gates there. They're actually moved in before we had a space. About a 14, 16 inch gap between the gates. So they're moved in. Gates actually come together now. Got rid of the old cable that was on here. Put a nice length of heavy chain on it. It's actually welded to one gate. We can loop it around, lock it back to itself. It should be good to go and not have any more problems. Hopefully you guys are having a great weekend. We're gonna go do something else. It's the gatekeeper again. The gatekeeper. Roar. I can come in. Thank you. That's mine. You can't be grain fed, you're grass fed. That don't work. Alright. If you guys haven't subscribed, please take a moment to do so. Certainly hope everyone's having a great weekend. Ring that bell, get my notifications. You don't want to miss a video. Get one almost every day. We'll see you guys again next time.